Good day, everyone. I am Emmanuel Usuga. For today's discussion, I will discuss the definition, the introduction of organic chemistry, and also the importance of organic chemistry. Now, the organic chemistry is the branch of chemistry that deals with the study of carbon-containing compounds, and these compounds typically contain carbohydrates, CH, bonds, and may include other elements like the oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen, and halogens. According to the study of organic chemistry, carbon, H, O, and halogen. This is the three characteristics of nature of carbon. First is the carbon atoms, bonds reasonably strongly with other carbon atoms. Second is carbon atoms bonds reasonably strongly with atoms, other elements. Third is carbon atoms make a large number of covalent bonds. 4. Carbon is unique because it can form 4 bonds, tetravalency. Then it can bond itself in less catenation, and also it forms stable compounds. Secondly is the hydrogen, composed by only carbon hydrogen. This is the what is the organic pair importance and why? Organic chemistry is important because the vital biological molecules in living system are largely organic compounds, and then nearly all commonly used plastic are prepared from organic compounds. Also, organic compounds form the basis of life, like the proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, DNA, and they are used the everyday products like fuels, plastics, medicine, perfumes, and food additives. And this the family's organic compounds functional group. The study of organic compounds is facilitated by their organization into families, also referred as classes or homologous or series or source of compound.